Hi, this is Micke from Universal Production Music. I want to show you our application Cue-Sheet Helper. So start with logging to the website. Then you click Tools, scroll down to Tools, Cue-Sheet Helper, find out more, and then go to Cue-Sheet Helper. And the Cue-Sheet Helper application is based on that you do an export from your edit suite. Either you do AF file or XML file. And you can use Final Cut, Adobe Premiere Pro, or Avid. You can also use AAF files from Pro Tools. So first you drag and drop files into this window, or you press Choose Files. And you can choose multiple files when you want to upload. So I choose this one, and then I press Go. And then it uploads the file and matches the details with our database. And once you've uploaded your files, from here you can view details, or you can download an Excel. And I press View Details, and from here you have like an overview of your report, or you download your Excel. And this is how your report looks like once it's matched. And it's very important that you don't change your file names when you have downloaded the music from our website. And from here you can see all the details: title, composer, publisher, record label, artist, and so on. You have the duration, TC in and TC out, ISRC code, and on some of the tracks we also have added ISWC codes. You also see two tracks here that the application hasn't matched, and that's probably because it isn't UPM music. But you always have duration and TC in and TC out. Then you just have to put all the other details in manually. I also want to mention that you always can go back to the application if you want to search or look at older Cue-Sheet that you have uploaded. So you press My Files, and here you have a list of everything that you have uploaded before. And here you can always have an overview and download your older Cue-Sheets. I hope this was helpful for you, and please reach out to us if you have any questions. Take care, bye bye.